Welcome back to Shingle Mingle Monday. I'm Brent Simmons, back with another question. And today's question is it illegal for my roofer to waive or eat my deductible? Well, short answer to that is 100% yes, it is illegal. What your deductible is something that you agreed to pay for in the event of any kind of loss on your house or property. You pay that, and then the insurance company basically covers the rest. That's an oversimplified version of it, but the way deductibles work is pretty simple. It's kind of like a copay when you go to your doctor's office. You've never been to the doctor where they've said, hey, don't worry about the $25, we got you covered. It just has never happened, and that's the same way deductibles are treated. You agree to pay it, and you have to pay it, and this is backed up by the law. So let me give you a little scenario real quick. Let's say you have a roof claim, and the replacement value is $20,000. So this is what the insurance company is saying they are valuing the roof at. So you have a $2,000 deductible, which you agreed upon when you got your policy. So this money is taken out of the $20,000. So you're left with a total payout by the insurance company of $18,000. Now that does not mean your roof is, you need to get a roof for $18,000. That means it's a $20,000 roof that you pay the first $2,000 of. Okay? So if you ever have a roofer saying they're going to waive your deductible, let me give you a fair warning. That $2,000 or whatever it is coming from somewhere, and it's usually in the quality of your roof. So if you'd like a quality roof, give us a call, 901-854-3402. Thanks.